G'day guys, it's Tim here. Hope everyone's having a fantastic week. The question we're posing today is, was 2017 your year? So firstly, I'm going to run through these numbers on the board in just a minute, but let's just present something for a second. It's December tomorrow. Tomorrow, December. I don't know about you guys, but I know nowadays you blink and man, it's like 6 weeks goes by. It's only, it feels like only yesterday that it was January. And I know that for many of you, at the beginning of the year, we always kind of sit down and we start to work out what our goals are going to be for the year. And for many people, they would have had 2017 as the year that they were finally going to take control of their finances and really get themselves sorted out and on the path to reaching their goals. So let me run you through the numbers that I've got up on the board here. This is what we did this year, right? Almost 3,000 people attended our workshop. So 3,000 people came and saw myself and met with the team and had their whole financial futures transformed. We really changed the way that they approach money. Okay, we designed, implemented strategies 420 strategies. So when you take into consideration couples, there's a fair percentage of those people that typically are couples. So we're probably talking something along the lines of 700 people actually not only got educated, but then took action around that and got a strategy designed and set up for you. And that meant that what we did is we helped our clients to invest almost $50 million. $50 million. It's an incredible year for not only Infinite Wealth, but also for Infinite Wealth clients. And look, that may be something that's really present for you. Now that we're only, we're talking, Christmas is a few weeks away. We got the new year is, 4 weeks away before we know it. And you know what it comes at this time of year? Things are they just move so quickly. I know I'm juggling about 7 different things at the moment. I'm going to blink and next thing you know, it's going to be 2018. Okay, and of course, the same thing's going to happen next year as what happened this year. You're going to be like, man, this is going to be the year that I finally get something sorted out. And of course, we're busy people. Everyone is busy people, right? But next thing you know, the months go by and you just end up repeating the same process, right? So, and look, there's a couple of things that we really launched this year, which really took off. So in our last workshops, just this week, we did our first ever VIP offer. So people paid $29 so they could come and do a 30-minute meet and greet with me. It went fantastically. We only offered 20 seats. All those seats went. And people had an extraordinary time. There's a photo we've got up on the Facebook page if you want to check out all the people that came along. We even had a lot of existing clients that just wanted to spend a little bit of extra time with the team, so they came along as well. We've decided, considering how successful that was, that we're going to offer that again. Now at the moment, sorry for our Melbourne clients, we're only able to offer that in Western Australia at the moment. We're working on how we can make that available to you guys over in Melbourne, and stay tuned because it will be coming soon. But like I said, we got our last workshops of the year coming up in just, what are we talking, less than 2 weeks time now, right? So rather than, letting this time pass you by and having another year go by where you didn't take action, you really want to get yourself sorted out. I'm going to put a link in the post below so that you can log in there and register. Now, our workshops are free. Keep in mind, you don't have to do the VIP upgrade. You are more than welcome. I love sharing the information that someone once gave me that'll help you transform your financial future. So get along to one of our free workshops. If you want to actually spend a little bit more time with me, there'll be the VIP offer available. You'll know you get to sit in the front rows of the workshop. You'll get to spend 30 minutes with me prior. There's also some gifts and goodies that we're going to give you guys as well. But let's really take advantage of these last couple of weeks and have 2007. Let's really finish it off with a bang. Now, I also know there's a couple of real pressing issues that a lot of people, and these came up primarily in the questions that were being asked in the VIP section, but we always kind of deal with this stuff in our workshops. There's a lot of stuff happening financially at the moment. We've got everything that's happening with Bitcoin. It's soaring through the roof. Everyone's kind of seems to be getting caught up in it. I know when I scroll through my Facebook feed, it's like every second one of my mates is telling me that I should be coming along to some kind of Bitcoin course. So if you want to find out about exactly how Bitcoin's playing out, what's coming for the future of Bitcoin, that's a great reason to get along to the workshop. Also, we're starting to see some media articles come out about we're going to see a slowdown in the housing market. Okay, now of course, just keep this in mind, right? Really, all those media articles are referring only to the Sydney and Melbourne markets, and really all that's happening is the Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide markets are really actually starting to ramp up. So don't get too worried about that, but of course we're going to go into that great more detail in the workshop. We've also got things like people talking about what's happening to the Australian economy. Why is wage growth so slow? Of course, there's a lot of more optimism about the Australian economy, but how come we're not seeing people's incomes increase? Okay, so that's something that we're going to talk about in great detail as well. So there's a lot of stuff it's a lot of stuff happening, and if you want to get your heads around it and know exactly how you should be using that information and how you should then, or what you should then be doing based on that information, then getting along to the workshop is a great idea. Look, guys, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Just wanted to keep it short and sweet with you. We would love to see you. We'd love to see you at one of our workshops. Let's finish off the year with a bang. Click the link, get a couple of free tickets. If you want to spend time with me, pay your $29 and come and hang out with me. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great night, guys. Bye.